In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to JPG using free method. So if you want to convert, please follow my the full video. So first, go to my video description. I will attach this link in my video description. Just open, then you are redirected to this website. So you need to upload. I uploaded this PDF file, or you can see it's 2 page. So I want to translate it JPG, right? So now click on convert to JPG. Again, you need to click on download. It's very easy drag and drop website. I really love this website. Then I lots of time use this website for my personal work and office work, etc., etc. Keep in mind this website not sponsor me or brand deal, only for real experience I share with you. So already downloaded through my computer. So if I open, so you can see it's already translate to JPG. So it's now a PNG zip file, because when you have a multiple pages, you want to translate it JPG, you must be unzip this file. Now I just trying to unzip, just click on extract file, then click on OK. Now wow, now going on this website, oh, sorry, going to this folder, then you can see this is true PNG or to JPG. So this is a method how you can uh, transfer PDF to JPG in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So if you have found this video helpful, for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.